Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase interaction with online tutors from Preply step by step clearly. Start by choosing the right tutor for your needs on Preply. Explore various tutor profiles based on their specialties and teaching styles. Read reviews and ratings from other students to gauge their effectiveness. Schedule a trial lesson to get a feel for the tutor's approach. Prepare specific topics or questions in advance for the trial session. Engage actively during the lesson by asking questions and requesting clarifications. Take notes during your lessons to reinforce your learning. Set clear goals for each session, whether focusing on grammar, conversation, or specific vocabulary. Communicate openly with your tutor about your learning preferences and areas of difficulty. Request feedback on your progress and ways to improve. Utilize the messaging feature to ask your tutor questions between sessions. Practice speaking or writing outside of class, and share your experiences with your tutor. Involve yourself in exercises or activities suggested by your tutor to reinforce learning. Consider participating in group sessions if available, to enhance interaction. Take initiative by suggesting topics that interest you for future lessons. Regularly revisit your goals and adjust them as necessary with your tutor's guidance. Stay consistent with your sessions for sustained improvement. Utilize additional resources provided by your tutor, such as articles or videos. Engage in discussions about these resources in your sessions to deepen understanding. Make use of the Preply app for added convenience in scheduling and communication. Stay motivated by tracking your progress and celebrating small achievements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.